Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be attempting to clean some of this dried mud off my bike, but I live in an apartment, don't have access to any hoses or anything like that, so came up with a brilliant idea of going to the store and getting some nitrile gloves so my hands don't dry out even more than they already are. Some 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes. I've never used these, but I'm sure they'll help somehow. And a spray bottle that I've used before of a mixture of 91% isopropyl alcohol and 99%. Dirtiest part is right in front of the rear tire, kind of on the seat tube. I will update you guys as it goes along and let you know if this thing works or not. Few other things I forgot to mention. I do have some 3M paint protection film. Right here's a seam there, jagged seam there. So that might help it come off easier than if it was just bare paint. I don't have it in these small crevices here, mostly because I couldn't be bothered to do that. To the probably dirtiest part, down tube armor thing, and it's kind of gross. Not sure if isopropyl alcohol will do it. I might need some good old-fashioned water down here. I think that'll about do it for me cleaning it up. There's still a few spots here and there. I think overall it's looking a little better. There's a spot right there I'll get. It's a pretty big mess on the floor, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.